question number 76. Let's read it. Geometrical isomerism is shown by. Students, let's start this question. First of all, we need to know that cyclohexene does not show geometrical isomerism. So obviously option number 2 will not show. Moving to option number 1, in case there is only one alkyl group attached and on the rest of the carbon atoms there are two hydrogen atoms attached with each carbon atom. Therefore, option number 1 will also not show geometrical isomerism. Moving to option number 2, in this case, there are two methyl groups attached on the same carbon atom. And on the rest of the carbon atoms, there are two hydrogen atoms are attached. Again, the compound will not show geometrical isomerism. Moving to option number 4. Here, the two alkyl groups are appropriately placed on different carbon atoms. Therefore, this compound will show geometrical isomerism. I am drawing the structure. If the carbon atoms attached or the methyl groups attached on two different carbon atoms are on the opposite side like this, the structure is known as trans. And if these two carbon atoms, these two methyl groups on these two carbon atoms are on the same side, then this is called as cis isomer. Therefore, it is very clear that among the given options, only option number 4 will show geometrical isomerism. So, the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is 77. Let's read it. Which of the following cannot be obtained by the pyrolysis of C6H14? Student, this is a very important reaction. We all know that pyrolysis decompose higher alkanes into lower alkanes, alkenes, etc. Higher alkane will not be produced. So here if C6 decomposed, then a hydrocarbon with 7 carbon atoms will not be formed. As a result, the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is 78. Let's read it. CH4 plus O2 in the presence of MO2O3, that is molybdenum oxide, a product is formed which is A with water. Student, there is a reaction given, that is CH4 on reaction with O2 in the presence of molybdenum oxide. A product is formed A along with H2O. We have to identify A. So student, I am writing the reaction, that is CH4 on oxidation, that is controlled oxidation in the presence of catalyst MO2O3. HCHO, that is methanol, is formed. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 79. Let's read it. Which gaseous products are obtained by electrolysis of aqueous sodium acetate? Student, first of all, I am writing the reaction that takes place at anode. So, acetate ion being negatively charged moves towards anode, and the reaction that takes place is CH3CO, free radical is formed, and then this bond breaks. We get 2 CH3 free radical and 2 molecules of CO2, and these two free radicals combines with each other and ethane is formed. Again gaseous. Now students, at cathode, hydrogen adds 1 electron, H free radical is formed along with OH minus. Now this H free radical combines with another H free radical and H2 gas is formed. Now students, it is very clear that 3 gaseous products are formed, that is H2CO2 and C2H6. These 3 gaseous products are obtained during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium acetate. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 80. Maximum boiling point among the following is of. Student, we know that the boiling point increases with increase in molecular mass, and for same molecular masses, the boiling point increases with increase in surface area. Here we have N-butane, N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. So obviously N-butane have lower molecular mass, but when we talk about N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane, N-pentane will have the largest surface area, as a result will have the highest boiling point. That means the correct answer is option number 2, and I'm also writing the order of boiling point just for you people. So order of boiling point I'll also write the boiling point data will be N-pentane followed by isopentane. As the branching increases, the surface area decreases. As a result, boiling point also decreases. So in case of isopentane and neopentane, the boiling point of isopentane will be higher, followed by neopentane, and the least boiling point is for N-butane since the molecular mass will be least. So here I am writing the data for boiling point. It will be 309 Kelvin, it will be 301 Kelvin, it will be 282.5 Kelvin, it would be 272 Kelvin. That means the correct answer is option number 2.